Today's problem to fix: how do I remove this dried Thinset mortar from these tiles? To see how I went from this to this, and then to this. Keep watching. Before using my special soak, I had tried putting the tiles in water for several days. I tried to remove the stuff with an old scraper or chisel. Of course, I didn't get anywhere. Now this is your everyday ceramic tile. It's not natural stone, glass, marble, or terracotta. I had removed these tiles from an entryway. They were too simple for me. I was just going to throw these tiles away, like most people do. But hey, I have another project I can use them for. Let me try and clean them. I'll show you what I did. The star of my supply list is the muriatic acid. You'll also need chemical-resistant gloves, a pumice stone or stick, and a good scraper or chisel in my case. And don't forget the brushes. This is swimming pool acid, used to clean pools. You can find it anywhere they sell pool supplies. Be very careful with this stuff. It has acid in the name. It can cause severe burns. It can burn your lungs if you breathe it in and cause eye damage. I first got a plastic bucket and filled it with enough water to cover my tiles. Next, now this is very important, I added the acid to the water very slowly. Never do it the other way around. Don't do water to acid. It's acid to water. As you can see, this is how much acid I used. Yep, half a gallon of the stuff. I recommend that you check your tiles after 2 hours, then again at 4. That's what I did, but mine were still hard as a rock. Then it started getting dark. Look, if they got damaged, I didn't care. I was gonna throw them away anyway. But this is what happened that morning instead. Yep, it started to come off. I was as surprised as anybody. That hard, dried up stuff that I couldn't remove with a chisel before was coming off. So how do you like my table? It's a trunk from a palm tree that we cut down. I gave it a really good scrub with the brush. And then I just rinsed it in the acid. This is the next morning, and I didn't see any bubbles, but still you want to wear those gloves to protect your hands. To remove that hard stuff on the edges, I used my scraper, and if that doesn't work, you can try using the pumice stone to get all the little pieces in the indentions. You know, that pumice stone was my best friend when it came to really cleaning up the tiles. Now, don't get too crazy with the scraper, because at one point I started banging the tile with the scraper and I ended up breaking off a small piece of it. In the end, really happy with the results. And I did reuse those tiles for another project, right here.